Hello everyone in the Bliston community. I am so excited, and I say this every single time that we start another meditation, but I really am excited to deliver this one because it is our last meditation in the series. It is day 21, and I thought it would be most appropriate to deliver a meditation for sleep and deep relaxation. This doesn't have to be for sleep. It could be simply a meditation to bring you to a deeper state of peace and calm. And you can use it any time of the day, but it's good to do at night unless you have nothing else going on. It's actually bedtime here at my house. It is 9 o'clock while I'm doing this live, and my little ones are in bed getting their bedtime stories read to them by my husband Justin. So I'm going to keep it nice and quiet, and I'm going to invite you now, before we get started, to really settle into that comfortable seat. You don't have to be sitting up for this one. Feel free to do this meditation lying down or in a reclined position. Sit up or just lean back on some pillows, whatever works for you. I need this meditation so bad. I've had a really good but long day, and I'm ready to unwind, let go, relax, settle down, and to connect with that peace that I seek at all times. Close your eyes if it's comfortable, or just to gaze softly upon a spot across the room, an object, even your screen. Bring your attention to your easy and effortless inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. Exert no effort now. Just follow your inhales as they enter your body through your nose or your mouth. And watch as that breath exits your body. Easy, natural, effortless. Notice the temperature, tone, sound, and length of your breath. Feel it fill your chest, expanding your lungs. Your belly, letting your belly be soft. Settle in your seat or your bottom. Just notice as your breath travels through your body. Follow it on its path and let it be easy. Allow it to ease any tension you might be feeling. Relax your jaw, your shoulders as your breath passes them. Again, your belly is soft. Allow your arms and your legs to be heavy. Allow your body to be drawn into the surface beneath you. Inhale, fill with air. Exhale, sink into the surface beneath you. Inhale. Exhale and sink. Inhale and exhale. You feel so safe and held in your space. Keeping your attention on your inhales and exhales, I want you to also imagine your favorite color. Your favorite color. If it's bright, make it a softer version. So if it's red, make it pink. If it's purple, make it lavender. If it's royal blue, make it sky blue. The softest version of your favorite color. Now imagine that the surface beneath you is a cloud of that color. Fluffy, soft, cradling you, holding you. You feel deeply relaxed. There is no tension. Relaxing feels effortless, easy, safe, and natural. Lean back and settle into that cloud. See how beautiful it is. Notice how safe you feel. Delight in this deep relaxation and comfort. Inhale. Relax. Inhale. Fall even deeper. Inhale. Everything is easy. Inhale. You are so comfortable and relaxed. Inhale. Everything feels so good. Stay here in this moment with your breath for as long as you'd like, feeling at peace, feeling so comfortable, so held, so warm, so safe. So easy, so deeply relaxed. You are floating on your cloud. You are held so warmly. Everything feels easy. Everything is good. So deeply relaxed. Continue to follow your easy inhales and exhales.